Rio-Sien mentala penlong ya kakak fest tan Ri-Bhoi hakasnong tham kabadan senda bat kaberwa. Walaju penlong dak Ri-Bhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society. Kinong snong kaberwa ka tham bat kiwe ba marjan kijuyo banyale kaman banya kondo lang jan man lausnam ba penlong ya kate katamasa king lieng nado belasdang hausnam arajar katsan. Kinong isim benta kiwan na kiri hakaleng ke perthai ha USA na UK Switzerland bat kiwe haba persang ban kelipat balai kat ki pro player ki banabari kidang kwa ban isim benta hak te jingle ka Meghalaya. Kinong isim benta ki laong baki babon hi ki kwa ban wan tang namar baki yo sngow ya kata nam joko white water village Meghalaya.
Hi, my name's iapbieit. I'm a kayaker from the USA. I'm 19 years old and this is my first time ever in India, so it's been such a great experience here at the Mega Kayak Fest. Really happy to be here. The reason that I came to the Meghalaya area is just the incredible whitewater. The organizers of this event actually invited me to come here, and I looked it up online and saw how beautiful it was. So I was really excited to get to paddle a new river and then meet some new people and make some new friendships.
Katay gari ke jingile kai hapreng kinong snong bat kibreo na bar. Kabala seiru ya kisap ki pong jong ki kena snong. Kibabon kilapoi banile kai sabari lingba katay sports.
Ya kene ka jingle kai hang ne kene ka Mega Kayak Fest ya mentang idang penyak na ka Ri-Bhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society kene kisnam ki balalet ni shule na ka kabon met jongi kat bangila kat bangi yo sponsor ndai kene ki mensim snam mi la dan ka jingerap na ka liang ka sarkar tangila la ban khamle khamha ila khamhe te mentau snam ru shushu ngila nang khampan bha shushu kene ka kayaking hang ne ka ai jingerap shibun ha khamtam ya ki khana nasional ya mentang idang shu sedang ya kene ka association jongi ngimpat la bor ban let sekiwai pat ki district ban pen lek kai la ne ban introduce tengidang sedang shwan nang ne na por Ri-Bhoi te suki lengba ka jingarap rengkat bat ka sarkar ngin sedang ban let advertise sekiwai ki district pun ki beriu kimpat la ban pediang nomor bun ka risk ka badan hapok ka ni ka sports te bun ki beriu kidang ting kimpat la ban pediang henrei na kaliang jongi ka society ngi pentik na ba kan long safe ba ka safe ba ka ni ka jinglek kai ki khna ru ki yo lat ban lek kai lang bat ki international paddlers ka de ka ba ka kam ka ba he ba te la bun sin ru ngi la let shabar na ka ni ka society jongi ngi la yalam ki khna keleng la dan ha banai August ngi lawan na ka benta ka Malabar River Festival te ngi la let shaka Khelo India ngi la yo ngi dan silver medal ru ha ka Khelo India te idon iwe paddler kan thai jongi la let represent ya ki India support Russia te suki kidang kio ki kena ngidon ki kena ki bat ki treshitom ha ngidon kena ba junior ngidon senior.
Hi, my name is Beth. I'm from the UK originally and now I live in Norway. This is my 4th time in Meghalaya. I really love it here and I'm very excited to be at the Mega River Festival again. I was at the original Mega Kayak Fest in 2016 and then I was at the festival last year and now this year. My first year out here, I just loved it. The kayaking, the rivers are really high quality for kayaking. This particular stretch is class 3-4. A lot of the rivers in Meghalaya are class 4-5. So the other rivers in Meghalaya are some of the harder rivers that I've run. So yeah, they're quite comparable to what I'd run back home. This is it's a really good slalom course. It's a really good training ground, but it's not the hardest river that I've run, but that makes it a really good training ground for other kayakers.
Hey, I'm Florina. I'm from Switzerland. And yeah, I'm the first time here in Meghalaya. It's a hard question. It feels like almost my whole life, but I started when I was 10 years old. Yeah.
From all the rivers that you've been to, how would you rate this stretch? How much would you rate this stretch?
From the difficulty, it's hard to, like, every river is really different, so it's hard to say or to compare it with other rivers, but it's really a cool river, so yeah. There are so good girls here, so probably I'm not gonna win, but yeah, I mean, to have fun is most important, I think.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Thank you.